Alright, so here we go. Using the September 2017 hip kit. And I'm using Basil cardstock from the cardstock add-on kit. And let's see, yeah. A single piece there. Not sure why my computer's glitching. It's not showing me the pictures. Okay, so I am going to use washi tape that came in the kit. Uh, I realized that die cut needed to go first. Sorry. Patents curled up on my desk next to where I was working. And then this one, I have 3 pictures. I have 2 on the triangular pattern and then 1 tucked behind. And then I have a journaling card. And I'm going to use die cuts from Pink Paisley. And I'm using a scrap strip of paper from the past August kit, I think. And then more of the washi. And that will house some embellishments. I do use some wood veneer stars, which are from Pink Paisley as well. And then I also, well, I'll wait till I get there. And I have that Believe You Can, and that's American Crafts Fresh Start Thickers. And then that red chipboard sticker at the bottom left, that is from Freckle Fawn. And then I'm going to put a wood veneer camera down, and that is from Freckle Fawn. So I'm going to cover the heart with a pattern paper. I'm just going to use a piece of the branding strip of one of the patterns. And then Hustle is from a past kit. It is American Crafts LOL thickers. And then once I have all my embellishments in their proper cluster, that pretty much completes the layout. And then in the top right of the layout, that's the last cluster I need to adhere. And then that pretty much completes that layout. I, believe it or not, did not do any misting. I did use some puppy star stickers. I used one wood veneer sticker, and then you see those in the left. I used those Bella Boulevard star stickers as well. And kind of use those like you would enamel dots in clusters of 3. And so when I have those done, that completes the layout. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.